The U.S. Air Force's first B-21 Raider stealth bomber is now conducting test flights from Edwards Air Force Base in California. This marks an important step forward in the development of this highly advanced aircraft, which just flew for the first time last November. The development of the B-21 Raider began as part of the Long Range Strike Bomber (LRSB) program initiated in 2015. This program aimed to replace the aging B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit bombers, providing the United States with a cutting-edge platform capable of penetrating advanced enemy air defenses and delivering precision strikes. Northrop Grumman, a renowned aerospace and defense company, was selected to design and manufacture the B-21 Raider, a testament to its expertise in developing stealth aircraft. The B-21 Raider is designed to be a stealthy, long-range bomber, capable of carrying a variety of conventional and nuclear payloads. Its sleek, futuristic design incorporates advanced materials and technologies to minimize radar cross-section and evade detection by enemy defenses. This level of stealth is crucial in maintaining the element of surprise and ensuring the bomber's ability to operate deep within contested airspace. Additionally, the B-21 Raider features state-of-the-art avionics, communication systems, and sensor suites, enhancing its situational awareness and mission capabilities. These technological advancements contribute to the aircraft's versatility, allowing it to adapt to evolving threats and carry out a range of missions, from strategic nuclear deterrence to conventional precision strike operations. An Air Force official confirmed that an early B-21, one of 6 pre-production examples the service plans to acquire, made a sortie from Edwards today. The same person said this was not the plane's first flight from the base, but declined to say when that feat was achieved or how many times the plane has flown in total. The bomber, nicknamed Cerberus, first arrived at Edwards after completing its maiden flight from Northrop Grumman's facility at Air Force Plant 42 in Palmdale, California on November 10, 2023. The USAF and Edwards AFB in particular have been very tight-lipped about any B-21 activities, including the aircraft's arrival there that went without any public fanfare. Flight testing is an important step in the test campaign, managed by the Air Force Test Center and the 412th Test Wing's B-21 Joint Test Force to provide a survivable long-range and penetrating strike capability to deter aggression and strategic attacks against American Union, allies, and partners, the Air Force official said. There are already signs on online flight tracking sites that a B-21 flight from Edwards may occur in November 2023, a C-12 Huron twin-engine turboprop belonging to the 412th Test Wing and bearing the callsign Raider 13, which could serve as a chase aircraft, tracked flying in a loose orbit north of the base. At the same time, the aircraft also flew at lower altitudes and slower speeds, which would be combined with early flight testing of aircraft such as the B-21. Aircraft observers have noted that the Raider call sign has also been used by aircraft conducting routine training at Edwards in the past. Long before the first B-21 was completed, the plan was to conduct initial flight testing at Edwards. The 420th Flight Test Squadron was officially reactivated in 2019 to become the centerpiece of the B-21 Combined Test Force. The 420th had previously served as the main component of the Combined Test Force for the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, the B-21's predecessor. I had the opportunity to fly the B-52, one of the oldest bombers in our inventory, said Air Force Lieutenant Colonel Clifton Bell, commander of the 420th at Plant 42 ahead of the Raider's public launch in December 2022. And then I flew the B-2. What we have behind us here, an incredible aircraft. And then to have the opportunity to develop the next generation of bombers is an incredible thing, a very exciting opportunity. Edwards has also received significant physical upgrades in recent years to support the arrival of the B-21 test program. Though there is only one Raider there now, all 6 pre-production jets are expected to eventually touch down at the base. Though the date of its first flight was pushed back multiple times, work on the B-21 program has been moving at a brisk pace, in general, in the past year or so. The systems inside the initial example of the Raider were powered on for the first time in July 2023, followed by engine test runs in September and taxi testing in October. This all then culminated in the first flight in November. The Air Force currently expects the B-21 to enter service in the latter half of this decade. The Raider is slated to replace the service's B-1B and B-2 bombers. Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota, currently home to B-1Bs, is expected to host the first operational squadron of Raiders. Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, where the Air Force's operational B-2s are presently based, and Dyess Air Force Base in Texas, another B-1B base, are also set to receive Raider squadrons in the future. The B-21 Raider plays a pivotal role in the United States' national defense strategy, contributing to the nation's ability to project power globally and respond to emerging threats. As a long-range strategic bomber, it provides the military with a flexible and credible deterrent, showcasing the United States' commitment to maintaining a robust and capable force. The B-21 is set to be a central component of the U.S. military's nuclear deterrent triad for the foreseeable future, as well as providing key conventional long-range strike capabilities. In addition to its function as a bomber, American officials have touted its extensive intelligence gathering and battle management capabilities. It is also just one component of a larger family of systems, most of which remain in the shadows, that will be very valuable for performing various missions in the future, including any potential high-end conflict against China and Pacific. Before any of this can happen, though, testing of the B-21 out of Edwards will need to be completed. That work to get the Raider ready for operational service is now underway.